Alright guys, welcome to video 8 of the Power Lead System tutorial series here. And in this video, we're going to test everything that we just built. We're going to test the capture page, make sure that the correct one shows up. And also, we're going to test to see if it's capturing the emails correctly and if the correct emails are being sent out from the autoresponder inside the Power Lead system. And also if the correct sales page shows up after they enter the email. Then after that, we're going to go through the more simple setup to where if you're not using a custom sales page and you're just using the company one, um, we're going to go through how to set that up and test that as well. All right. So right now we're just going to test all the pages that we created. So you want to go back to this page, you're getting started, and we're going to go down to websites, web pages, and we're going to hit my web pages. All right. Now we're going to find the capture page we created, which is tutorial capture in this case, and we're going to hit edit. And right here in the edit, we're going to go down to step 2, which is the domain that we used, and we're going to choose the domain that we already have because this is what I created uh, for the tutorial, which is tutorial CP, which is the subdomain I created. Uh, if you're not using a subdomain, you're just going to select, yours, whatever yours is in the drop down menu. But in this case, we're going to hit tutorial CP. All right. On step 3, we're going to choose add opt-in lead to the Power Lead System Contact Manager because we're going to be using the system autoresponder and not Aweber or GetResponse. If you're using an outside autoresponder, you just simply select which one you're using, whichever one you're using. If it's Aweber GetResponse, and then you select the list name that you created inside your autoresponder. All right, but in this case, we're using the Power Lead System Contact Manager. All right, so step 4 is the next page that they're going to see after they enter their email. In our case, we're going to choose a page in your website, and then we're going to select that sales page we created in the previous videos, which is right here, tutorial sales page. And then you can test it out with view page to see if it's the correct one. And boom, you can see it is. It's that one that we created with the fire background and the basketball video, right? So that's the one we want. We're gonna hit save changes to web page. Or actually, let's go back just to make sure we have the right autoresponder. So in step 3, since we're using the Power Lead system, we want to select that autoresponder campaign that we created as well. And let's see if I can find it. I believe it's tutorial capture. There we go. 9 emails. Tutorial capture emails. And then you can hit the view campaign as well. And that will open it'll show you all the emails inside the campaign so that you can see if it's the correct one or not. And it looks like it is. So we're going to close it. Now we're going to hit save changes. Keep the current background. Yep. Hit that. And then we're going to hit save changes. All right. And now we have everything set up. So now we're going to go on and test it. So we'll just hit view web page. Boom. We should pop that open. Tutorial CP. New Wells Careers. If view web page doesn't pop it open, just copy and paste it from your edit and just, you can just paste it in and then go from there and it'll pop it up. So now you can see free video, how to make $100 in the next 24 hours, blah, blah. And then you can just go through and, just act like you're looking for information. So what you want to do for the email is you want to put your email that you have access to so that we can see if the message pops up in our email, in our inbox. So make sure it's the email that you have access to. Hit next, and we're gonna hit get access now. And you can see here this little verification code pops up. This only pops up for your if you're using the PowerLead system autoresponder, is to make sure that people aren't spamming and you're not getting a bunch of spam in there. So it's a little protector there. So we're just put the code in, hit submit. Boom. You can see this video pops up, our sales video. Everything's working correctly. Your prospect hits continue, and boom, they go to your page, your company page. And in this case, I put my blog for this tutorial. So everything's working correctly. You can see the little sequence of pages. Um, when someone enters their email, they're going to the correct sequence. Now we're going to go into my email here just to see if we got that email that we set up for the autoresponder. All right. So we're going to go into the email that you put in the form there. Boom, there it is. All right. And you can see you're going to get a notice that from the PowerLead system that somebody opted in. You're going to get the exact link that they use so you can see where they came from. And then the email. You can see that since I put my first name in there, the system automatically puts their first name in there, which is Durant. In this case, why you want digital altitude. But you can see I didn't change everything in the email, but you want to make sure that you do so that everything matches up to whatever company you're using. And we're just going to test the link here. Click here to visit my business, right? And boom, there we go. The link that we set up for the uh, promote your company in the video video 2. Oh, sorry, in video 4, which is setting up your company link. It'll send them to that. So you can see right now, I pretty much showed you how to set everything up. You have your automated online marketing system. We created a capture page, we created a sales page, and we also created email with the link in there. So when somebody gets your email and they click on your link, it goes to your affiliate page or whatever company you're promoting. In this case, it's my blog for this tutorial. So that's pretty much it for this video. All right, guys, now we're going to go through the simple setup if you decided not to make your own sales page and you just want the capture page and want to use the company sales page, right? So we go down to my web pages over here, and we're just going to take our tutorial capture from our demonstration here, and down here in step 4, instead of choosing a page in your website, all we're going to do is go to the corporate URL of our company where you promote, and that's just going to put your sales page here for your company, whatever affiliate link you used in the setup video for 4, and it's just going to go that. So for this tutorial, I chose digital altitude and I put my blog as the corporate URL. But for you, you're going to put your company sales page so that right after they enter the email address, they're going to go straight to the company sales page. All right. So we're just going to hit save changes to web page. Keep that. Save again. And then view. You can see here's the page that we created. I'm just going to put other, right? Again, I'll re-enter the email. And then if everything works correctly, it should go straight to my blog after this instead of the sales video. As soon as we enter this, it seems like we already Yep. Would you like to resend to you? Because we already sent it once. I'll put yes, then continue the tour. There you have it. Boom. Back to my quote unquote, my blog, quote unquote, digital altitude sales page, right? And that's how you set it up if you decide to use the company sales page and not create your own. And so that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys on video 9, where it's gonna be the conclusion video, and we're gonna wrap everything up. So see you guys then.